Hi everyone, it's Lourdes Galang, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn 5 to 7 figures every month. So in this free webinar, you will learn how you can earn an extra income of 20,000 to 50,000 per month through digital product selling or reselling business. So para sa mga naghahanap ng opportunity na na-try na or nasubukan na yung mga iba't ibang business opportunities or income opportunities dyan, at hindi pa rin nare-reach yung goal nila na kumita ng extra 20 to 50,000 every month or 5 to 7 figures every month, then watch this video para malaman mo kung paano ka kikita ng 5 to 7 figures every month dito sa digital product selling or reselling business. So let's get started. So again, I'm going to show you how you can earn through digital product selling or reselling business. So first of all, we need to know what are digital products para malaman natin kung ano ba itong mga digital products na pwedeng ibenta online. So I'm going to give you a few examples na popular or sabihin na natin na I'm sure kahit kayo familiar kayo dito. Unang-una dyan yung mga online courses. So you can create online courses and you can sell it online. E-books, printable templates, kung gumagamit ka na ng Canva or aware ka na sa paggamit ng Canva, then pwede kang gumawa ng mga printable templates doon at pwede mo ring ibenta yon online. And mga webinars at saka mga mobile apps. And marami pa pong mga digital products na pwedeng ibenta online. You can do your own research kung ano-ano pa po yung mga digital products na yan. The next question is, who is this opportunity for? Para kanino ba tong opportunity na to? Of course, this is open for everyone who's looking for an opportunity where they could earn extra income or earn 5 to 7 figures every month. Ngayon, naglagay lang po ako ng mga certain list of people na talagang masasabi ko na malamang ay gugustuhin na gawin itong business opportunity na to or income opportunity na to. So para sa mga online sellers or mga online entrepreneurs na sobrang sipag talaga na mag-post sa kanilang Facebook, sa Instagram accounts nila, sa TikTok accounts nila ng mga products or services na kanilang binibenta na para talagang mag-grow yung kanilang business, maganda rin po itong opportunity na to na pwede nyo idagdag sa current na ginagawa nyo na sa online selling or sa pagiging online entrepreneur po ninyo. And para din po ito sa mga network marketers na talagang grabe din yung effort at time na ibinibigay para ma-build yung kanilang network marketing business. So para din po sa inyo itong opportunity na to kasi pwede nyo po itong gawin at magamit itong digital product selling business na to sa network marketing business nyo. And of course, magandang opportunity to para sa mga single moms. Alam naman po natin kung gaano kahirap maging single mother, lalo na kung mag-isa lang na ikaw ang nagpo-provide financially para sa mga anak mo. Siyempre talagang maghahanap ka ng mga ways or ano ba yung mga opportunities na pwede mong gawin for you to earn additional extra income para lang maibigay mo yung needs at hindi lang yung needs pati yung wants ng mga anak mo. At alam natin kung gaano kahirap hatiin yung oras sa pag-aalaga, sa pagtatrabaho, and at the same time, trying to balance everything para lang maalagaan natin na maayos sa mga anak natin. So, para din po sa mga working moms na sabihin natin hindi naman po kayo single mom, may katuwang po kayo, may partner po kayo, or may husband pa po kayo na nagtatrabaho din. Pero sabihin na natin na hindi pa po sapat talaga yung kinikita din ng husbands. Kaya kailangan na maghanap din tayo ng opportunities or ways kung paano tayo kikita ng extra income para matulungan natin si husband sa pagpo-provide sa family. So this is also a good opportunity for you. And para sa mga students naman po, at lalong-lalo na sa mga working students na talagang kailangan nila ng additional income or additional na money para masuportahan yung pag-aaral nila, yung mga expenses nila sa schools, sa mga projects. Magandang opportunity po ito para sa inyo. And for OFWs na laging naghahanap talaga ng opportunity kung paano pa pwede madagdagan yung income nila kasi may mga OFWs tayo na hindi naman po talaga sapat yung kinikita lang sa full-time work or minsan nga 2 to 3 jobs pa talaga ang kinukuha natin, 'di ba kapag mga OFW tayo. So naranasan ko rin kasi maging OFW so alam ko yung pakiramdam na 2 to 3 jobs a day ang kailangan na pagkakitaan para lang talaga mabayaran yung mga bills and at the same time makapag-ipon at meron pang ipadala sa Pilipinas. So para din sa mga employees at mga freelancers na naghahanap pa rin ng extra income kasi hindi pa rin sapat yung salary or sabihin na nating hindi rin sapat yung kinikita pa sa freelancing or pwedeng pagod na sa pagiging empleyado or pagod na rin sa pagiging freelancer at gusto mong maghanap ng opportunity na pwede mong gawin na kaya mong gawin part-time or kaya mong idagdag habang ginagawa mo pa ang iyong full-time work bilang OFW, bilang employee or freelancer. Again, who is this opportunity for? Para sa mga magtatanong po na kailangan ba tech-savvy ka? Hindi po kailangan kasi yung online course po na mapapanood nyo, it will guide you step by step kung paano mo gagawin tong opportunity na to. And you can work 2 to 3 hours per day. Gawin itong business na to, part-time. So, pwede talaga to sa mga may full-time work, sa mga nag-freelance dyan, mga OFW or mga employees, and even to single moms or housewives who are also busy taking care of the kids. Kayang-kaya nyo pong gawin ito. And you can use your mobile phone. So, kung wala po kayong laptop, pwede nyo pong gamitin ang inyong mobile phone in doing this opportunity. And this is totally for beginners. Yung mga zero experience pa po in digital selling, pwede po ito sa inyo kasi you will have an online course that will really guide you step by step kung paano mo magagawa tong opportunity na to at marami ka talagang matututunan when it comes to digital selling. So before I discuss with you our digital product selling or reselling business, I'd like to give you a short history of my previous sources of income. So my first work was being a manager at Chowking. And then I also became a call center agent. Ang dami ko rin pong call center companies na napasukan. Bago po ako naging OFW. So for almost 5 years, naging OFW po ako sa London, UK. At habang OFW po ako sa London, UK, naging online seller po ako sa eBay, naging online dropshipper, naging freelancer po ako sa Odesk na ngayon Upwork na, and then naging network marketer din po ako habang OFW pa po ako, habang nagtatrabaho ako part-time sa London as a sales consultant. Okay? So, online selling, I think 2006 or 2007 nung ginawa ko siya. And then yung pagiging dropshipper din. So, bago pa nauso ang dropshipping dito sa Pilipinas, ginagawa ko na po siya nun sa UK. And then yung freelancing din na Odesk pa noon, habang nagpa-part-time sales consultant ako sa London, sa isang company doon, I was also doing freelancing na rin. Na naisip ko din talaga na pwede na kami umuwi ng Pilipinas kasi nga, I can do freelancing kahit na nasa Pilipinas na kami. Tapos yung network marketing naman na nasalihan ko, which is First Vita Plus, at that time, umorder lang ako ng products kasi I needed it for my health. Hindi ko alam na network marketing company siya, pero dahil sa naghahanap ako ng business opportunities, ng income opportunities, might as well, pinag-aralan ko na rin siya. And doon na po nagsimula yung career ko ng pagiging network marketer. And then pag-uwi namin ng Pilipinas, I tried franchising. Pero nag-fail po ako sa franchising business. It's a food cart franchising. And then, naging small business owner din. So, nagtayo kami ng small food business. Hindi ko siya matatawag na restaurant kasi hindi naman siya restaurant type pa. Pero nag-fail din po kami doon. And then, I also worked as a real estate agent. And then, I also offered marketing consultancy services sa mga owners ng mga company na gusto nilang umangat yung sales nila or meron silang sales goals na gusto nilang ma-achieve through online marketing. And here are my current sources of income. So along with the digital product selling and reselling business that I'm doing, I'm still a licensed financial advisor. I'm also a franchise consultant and an online dropshipper. So, kayang-kaya mo talagang gawin tong opportunity na to habang meron ka pang ginagawang full-time work or kung nag-freelance ka pa or virtual assistant ka or nag-online selling ka or kung ano pa man yung mga racket na ginagawa mo, kayang-kaya mong isabay tong opportunity na to. So, here are some proof of earnings from the creator of the online course. Pwede po kayo magbenta local and international clients. And as you can see here, marami po talaga ang bumibili ng online course. And you can earn dollars or you can earn in pesos. So, depende po sa inyo kung saan kayo magbebenta, local or international. Pwede naman po. So, how does it work? The online course will be delivered to your email inbox. Etong online digital marketing course na ito po yung digital product na ibebenta natin online. Na pwede nating i-resell kasi meron tayong master resell rights. Meaning to say, meron tayong karapatan na ibenta to sa iba at i-rebrand under our own name. Kumbaga, ima-market natin na parang sarili natin tong online digital marketing course na to. So, para makuha natin tong online digital marketing course na to at magawa natin siya na isang opportunity wherein we can earn extra income, so first step is to purchase the online digital marketing course from us. And then once you purchase the online digital marketing course from us, you will be able to learn how to sell or resell online courses. And then, ito na po yung magkakaroon kayo ng master resell rights para i-rebrand nyo din po yung online marketing course na yon. And pag na-rebrand nyo na po yun, yung mga bibili din po sa inyo ng online marketing courses na yon, pwede kayong bayaran through PayPal or GCash. So, here are the ways how you can earn sa ating digital product selling or reselling business. So, first way how you can earn is to resell our existing course. So, meron na po tayong online digital marketing course na pwede nyo pong i-resell at i-rebrand. So, para to sa mga tao na walang time para mag-create ng sarili nilang online digital marketing course, ito po yung pinakamadali na way para kumita kayo dito sa ating digital product selling or reselling business. Pangalawa is to create and sell your own course. So, para naman ito sa mga tao na may time at talagang gustong mag-create ng sarili nilang online digital marketing course, then you can do so. Pwede nyo rin pong gawin ito para kumita kayo dito sa ating digital product selling and reselling business. Another way for you to earn is to use the skills learned in our online digital marketing course to provide services to your local or international clients. So, kung bago ka pa lang sa freelancing or sa pagiging VA, then pwede mong magamit yung mga skills na matututunan mo sa online digital marketing course. Or kung nasa freelancing ka na at saka matagal ka ng VA, then additional skills ito para sa'yo para mas tumaas ang iyong rate sa pagiging VA or sa pagiging freelancer mo. And here are some of the testimonials ng mga gumawa na nitong opportunity na to at ngayon ay kumikita na nga po dito sa ating digital product selling and reselling business. At meron na nga po tayong kasama sa ating community na kumita na po ng 7,705 pesos. And take note, nakapag-withdraw na po siya kasi nakabili na po siya ng kanyang anti-rad glasses gamit sa laptop at na-treat na rin niya ang kanyang family. At meron naman po tayong kumita na din ng 29,420 pesos and 94 cents. At ang goal niya ay mahit niya ang 6 digits before 2024. Meron din po tayong kasama sa community na nakalipat na sa kanyang bagong condo by just doing this opportunity. At meron din po tayong kumita ng 7,000 pesos in a day at na-withdraw niya agad-agad. At meron din po tayong kumita ng 32,000 pesos. At meron din kumikita na ng 5 digits sa kanyang income. At meron din naman umabot na ng 226,140 pesos ang kanyang income. At meron din 67,056 pesos and 14 cents ang kanyang income for 2 weeks lang po. At meron din kumita ng 36,000 pesos in a day. Imagine kung kayo na po yung kumikita niyan by doing this opportunity, diba? Totoo po talaga, you can earn 5 to 7 digits every month at pwede kang kumita around 10,000 to 20,000 to 30,000 and even to 200,000 pesos in a month. At marami pa po tayong kasama sa community na talagang kumikita na po. Meron dito 26,000 pesos, nasa 9,000 pesos, at 24,000 pesos. At para po sa mga gustong mag-avail na ng ating online digital marketing course at gustong simulan itong opportunity na to, this is what you will get inside the course. So this is what's inside our online course, yung full course na tinatawag namin. Una-una, you will learn how to make your own online course. You will have built-in funnels website, and then how to automate and make passive income from it. Road to 5 to 7 digit sales per month. You'll get 100 plus videos and modules. You'll have access with community with 10,000 members. You can grab testimonies from our community. You can join our group chat, which is in Filipino. Free live webinar every 2 weeks. You'll get free TikTok PDF strategies, free Instagram PDF strategies, free sales marketing in PDF format, how to record a webinar and what to say in webinar, and how to make different courses, how to target international clients and get a lot of sales, free webinar template in PowerPoint. You'll get the right pricing, correct way to offer your courses, utilizing Instagram to get more sales, turning prospects into buyers, how to talk and negotiate, and free ebooks. So all in all, itong full course na to would total to 30,000 pesos in value. And in dollars, that's worth $497. But we are in a promo right now. So this total course, okay, which is worth 30,000 pesos or $497 in value sa lahat ng makukuha nyo sa aming online course, you will only have to pay 2,299 pesos instead of the 30,000 pesos or $497. And lahat ng itong mga included sa course na to ay makukuha mo. So, 2,299 pesos lang. So, just imagine the savings, yung total value that you're getting from this full online digital marketing course. So, if I were you, you have to grab this opportunity kasi nagtaas na po yung price actually. Dati less than 2,000 pesos lang. But now, it's up to 2,299 pesos. And who knows, pwede pa pong tumaas ang price nitong full course na to. Kasi nakita nyo naman ang total value nito. Kanina nga nung pinakita ko sa inyo, it's worth 30,000 pesos of total value, worth $497. And ngayon, mabibili mo lang siya ng 2,299 pesos. And it's a one-time payment only. Isang beses mo lang babayaran yung 2,299 pesos. Lifetime access ka na doon sa full-time course. At ang maganda pa nito, you can start reselling this course. So, if you are getting this for 2,299 pesos, kapag ni-resell mo at ni-rebrand mo itong online digital marketing course na to, ganun din yung amount na babayaran sa'yo ng mga bibili nitong online course na to, which is 2,299 pesos. So, you only need one sale to get your investment back. At ang maganda nun, pwede mo siyang ibenta sa kung sinong gustong bumili din itong online digital marketing course na to. At sila din naman, pwede nilang i-resell at rebrand. So, yun nga yung digital product selling business natin. So, either you create your own course to sell it or you can purchase this online digital marketing course and resell it. So again, our full course is 2,299 pesos only. If you're interested to enroll in this course and be one of my students, just message me on Instagram to avail this promo. Reserve your slots now to be one of my students. And my Instagram account is at Wealthy Moms Club PH. Now, if you're asking the question why people would buy this from you, bakit nila bibilhin tong online digital marketing course na to sa'yo at mag-enroll sila sa'yo bilang students mo? Una-una sa lahat, there are hundreds of thousands of people who wants to learn how to make extra income. At isa ka na doon, kaya mo ito pinapanood ngayon kasi gusto mong matuto how to make extra income through digital product selling business. And I'm sure you want to learn how to monetize your social media. Total, kung tambay ka na rin lang naman sa TikTok, sa Facebook at Instagram, why not pag-aralan mo kung paano mo ma-monetize or paano mo pagkakakitaan yung pagtatambay mo sa social media, sa pag-browse sa TikTok, sa pag-browse sa Facebook or Instagram, bakit hindi mo na lang pagkakitaan yung paggamit mo ng social media, 'di ba? Pangalawa, the price is so affordable. So, it's easier to make sales without paying thousands of dollars for course or affiliate marketing. Nakita nyo naman yung total value, nasa 30,000 pesos or worth $497. Yung total value ng course na i-avail nyo dito sa online digital marketing course na to. And mabibili mo lang siya for 2,299 pesos. So, why not grab this opportunity habang affordable pa yung price? And even sa affiliate marketing, gagastos ka rin naman sa affiliate marketing, pero dito 2,299 pesos lang yung capital mo. And you can make your investment back with one sale. Imagine, nabili mo siya ng 2,299 pesos at kapag i-resell mo at i-rebrand mo itong online digital marketing course na to, meaning to say, may iba din na gustong bumili ng online digital marketing course na to sa'yo, you will have to make them pay you 2,299 for the course also. So, pagka benta mo sa kanila ng course na to for 2,299 pesos, babalik na kagad sa yung investment mo with just one sale, diba? And you can make that within 2 hours, within hour pa nga yung iba, as long as you know how to post online on your TikTok, sa Facebook, sa Instagram, and you have the right strategy na matututunan mo rin naman dito sa online course na to at talagang masipag ka at madiskarte ka at gagawin mo kagad, i-apply mo kagad yung natutunan mo sa online course na to, then you can make your investment back with one sale. And then the last, people buy because this is a genius idea. It's easy to set up in a couple of days. Actually, isang araw pa nga lang, pwede mo nang ma-set up lahat at ma-automate lahat. It doesn't require any experience, no monthly fees, no paying commissions, and they know they can resell it and make their investment back with one sale. So, you can resell this course agad-agad. But again, you can always create your own course kasi matututunan mo nga ito sa online digital marketing course na bibilhin mo sa amin. Now, what's your advantage? Unang-una, the market is not yet saturated. Lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, bago pa lang ang digital product selling business. So, konti pa lang po yung nagmamarket ng mga digital products at gumagawa ng mga digital products at nagbibenta online. Pangalawa, you can always make your own online course. Unlimited po yan kung ano maisip mo na online course kapag may nahanap ka ng target market at saka specific niche, you can start creating your own online courses. Third, everything is automated. Hindi ka na mahihirapan kasi may ready-made na sales funnel and website na i-direct mo na lang yung mga students na gustong mag-enroll at mag-avail ng inyong online digital marketing course. And pang-apat, start with a small capital. Imagine for 2,299 pesos, it could be your way to earn 5 to 7 digits even daily or weekly or monthly. Depende na yan sa'yo, sa strategy mo, sa sipag mo, sa tiyaga mo, sa diskarte mo. Kung talagang gusto mong kumita ng malaki dito, you can at marami na pong nakakagawa niyan. And pang last, you can sell and market on free platforms. Meaning to say, pwede mo siyang ibenta sa mga free platforms like sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa Marketplace, at kung saang free platforms mo pa maisipan na ibenta ang ating online digital marketing course. So, maraming ways para maibenta mo at maimarket mo ang online digital marketing course na ito. So, disclaimer lang po, I only have 20 slots for students. So, reserve your slots now. Take advantage of the promo that we have. Our full course is still at 2,299 pesos only. Believe me, tumaas na po. Last time, less than 2,000 pesos lang po. So, habang hindi pa po tumataas ulit, you have to take advantage. You have to reserve your slots now to be one of my students in this online digital marketing course and start earning 5 to 7 digits daily, weekly, or monthly. Depende na lang talaga sa'yo. So, message me now on my Instagram to avail this promo to reserve your slots. My Instagram is at Wealthy Moms Club PH. Now, you can send your payment to my GCash account. It's 0921-708-1882 or through my BPI account, 0466485876. So for those who are interested to enroll in our online digital marketing course and be one of my students at gusto na ring simulan ang digital product selling business na ito, just message me at Wealthy Moms Club PH so you can reserve your slot, okay? So I will assist you at bibigay ko sa inyo yung assistance and direction on how you can get started. And syempre, as one of my students, I will guide you as well at bibigyan ko rin kayo ng mga strategies on how you can really earn 5 to 7 digits per month in this kind of business. Okay? So, thank you for watching.